clearly the pace of this industry. It's really a fast moving and a fast growing market. And coming from the technology world, I knew and I liked already such a pace. It's also a very competitive environment where one needs to challenge himself on a daily basis. It's also a very fragmented industry. So our sales and application engineers are dealing with automotive, aerospace, defense, medical, but also many different industrial customers. So really the challenge and the benefit of our work on a day-to-day basis is to bring this new technology to a very diversified customer base.